Before we go through the second unit of the lesson, stay hungry, stay foolish, let us have the Brahmanad. शांति 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 स्वस्ति. In our previous class, we discussed that Steve Jobs started the Apple company in the garage of his foster parents with his school friend or schoolmate Steve Wozniak. Actually, the company was set up in the garage, but within a short span of 10 years, it became a company of more than 4,000 employees. See, the company that was started only with 2 persons, by the hard labor of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, they would make the company into a $2 billion company with over 4,000 employees. When Steve Jobs was at the age of 29, the company produced or the company released the Macintosh. And it was considered the finest creation of the company. A year later, when he was at the age of 30, he was fired from the company. He was dismissed from his job. Why was he dismissed from his job? Because they had appointed an employee who Steve Jobs thought was very talented. He thought that hired man could help him in the progress of the company. The past 1 year or so, things went on well, but after that, both Steve Jobs and that hired employee had their falling out, and their vision diverged into different directions. And when the quarrel took place, or the disturbance or the dispute took place between Steve Jobs and that hired employee, the board of directors took the side of the hired employee and they sold the way out of the company to Steve Jobs. After the release of the finest creation, the Macintosh, Steve Jobs became a public figure. People all over America came to know about Steve Jobs. So he was a public figure. But when he was dismissed from his job or from the company, it became a public failure for him. And people came to know that Steve Jobs was dismissed from the company, or Steve Jobs was shown the way out of the company. It was known to the people. So it was a public figure, public failure for Steve Jobs. Then he thought that he had let down the previous entrepreneurs by handovering the power to the board of directors, because it was he who had set up the Apple company. But he had passed the baton or the power to the board of directors, and the board of directors had the power even to dismiss the entrepreneur from the job. So he was dismissed from the job. After his dismissal from the job, he approached Bob Dice and a few board of directors to solve the problem. But the board of directors did not listen to him. So he thought that he would run away from the place. He would not remain in his own place because he thought that it was his failure. He was very much disappointed. But gradually something occurred to him. And what was that? That was he loved what he did in life. And that helped him a lot to progress in life. Now let us go through the remaining part of our second unit. I didn't see it then. I didn't see it. See that thing which occurred to him after. And what was that? He loved what he did in life, but it did not come immediately after his dismissal from the company. I didn't see it then, but it turned out that getting fired from Apple was the best thing that would ever happen to me. And later he thought that it was good for him when he was fired from the Apple company. He thought that getting fired from Apple company was the best thing that had happened to him in his life. The happiness of being successful was replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. See, after his dismissal from the company, the happiness of being successful was now replaced by the lightness of being a beginner again. And he thought, and he decided to start over again a new life. He was less sure about everything, but he was confident that the idea or the thing he had in him, that he loved what he did in life, would help him to progress in life. It freed me that his dismissal from the job freed him to enter one of the most creative periods of his life. As a result, after his dismissal from the company, he stood up again and he started over a new life again as he learned what he did in his life. During the next 5 years, he started a company named Next. During the next 5 years, what did he do? He started a company named Next. Then he set up another company named Picture. During the next 5 years, I started a company named Next. Then another company named Picture. And during this period, he fell in love with a lady. He fell in love with an amazing woman who would become his wife. Picture, the company, Picture went on, continued to create the world's finest computer animated feature film. Toy Story. World's first computer animated feature film, and is now the most successful animation studio in the world. In a remarkable turn of events, Apple bought Next. Gradually, see, in a remarkable turn of events, what happened? Again, Apple bought Next. As Apple bought Next, he got the chance to go again to his own company, Apple, as he loved the Apple company the most. After Next was purchased by Apple, he got the chance to go to his own company, Apple. I returned to Apple and the technology we developed at Next, and the technology that they had developed and next became the heart of Apple Company. Is at the heart of Apple's called Renaissance. Renaissance means a revival or a revival. And Lawrence and I have a wonderful family together. And who was Lawrence? Lawrence was the wife of Steve Jobs. Both Lawrence and Steve Jobs had a wonderful family life together. I am pretty sure none of this would have happened if I had not been fired from the Apple Company. Yes, he would not have sat up, rest and picture if he had not been dismissed or fired from the Apple Company. He was pretty sure none of this, neither nest nor picture, would have shut up or would have taken place if he had not been fired from the Apple Company. And when he was fired from the Apple Company, it was very frightening. It was awful. And it was like an awful testing for Steve Jobs, but he didn't that. It was awful testing medicine, but I guess the patient didn't eat. Here the patient refers to Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs needed that awful testing medicine. And what is that awful testing medicine? That awful testing medicine was his dismissal from the Apple Company. Why it is called awful testing medicine? It is called awful testing medicine because if he had not been fired from the Apple Company, then he would never have shut up neither next nor picture. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. As you know, life has many ups and downs. Life is not a bed of roses. Sometimes what happens? Life hits us in our heads with a brick, and we have to go through a bad period of our life. And when we are passing through a bad period of life, we should not lose our confidence. We should not lose our faith. So he says to the students of Stanford University, when life hits you on your head with a brick, don't lose your faith. I am convinced that the only thing that kept Steve Jobs moving was that he loved what he did in his life. Yes, what we love, what we do, if we love that, that will definitely help us to progress in our lives. So, Steve Jobs was convinced that the only thing that kept him going was that he loved what he did in his life. You have got to find what you love. Yes, you have to find out what you actually love in your life. You have got to find what you love, and that is as true for your work as it is for your lovers. See, the work that I do is not loved by me will not be given 100%. If I love teaching, and then I can give my best to my students. So we should love what we do in our lives. And that is as true for your work as it is for your lovers. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. See, no work is small, no work is great, work is worship. And whatever work we do should be loved by us, and whatever work we do should be considered the greatest work. Then only we can give our best and we can give our 100% in our work. And the only way to do get work is to love what you do. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. See, whatever we do, we should love that work. The only way to do great work is to love what you do in life. If you have not found the work you love yet, keep looking for. If you have not found it yet, keep looking. But don't settle. Don't settle in the work that is not loved by you. As with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find the work that you love in your life. And like any great relationship, it just gets better and better. The work gets better and better as the years roll on or as the years pass by. So keep looking instead of settling yourselves. Keep looking until you find the work that you love in life. But never settle. Never settle in the work that does not interest you and that is not loved by you. So what we read in this concluding part of the unit, in the concluding part of the unit, we read that gradually something occurred to him, and what was that? That was he loved what he did in life. And this principle of Steve Jobs helped him a lot. And this principle helped him to enter into the most creative period of his life. And if he had not fired from the Apple company, then he would not have entered into the creative period of his life. As he entered again into the creative period of his life, he was able to set up two another companies. And what were they? Next and Picture. Then Next was bought by Apple. And the technology that was developed and Next became the heart of the Apple company and their Renaissance or remark. As Next was bought by Apple, Steve Jobs got the chance to go again to the company that was set up by him in the beginning. That was the Apple company. As a matter of fact, Steve Jobs got the opportunity to go back again to the Apple company. So he considered that if he had not fired from the Apple company, then he would not have shut up Next and Picture and would not have entered into the most creative period of his life. Then he gives the advice to the students of Stanford University: when you are hit on your head by a brick, you should not lose your faith. You should be convinced that what you do should be loved by you, and what you do, if loved by you, definitely you will progress in your life. But he advises, but don't settle in the place or in the work that does not interest you or that is not loved by you. But whatever you do, if that is loved by you, definitely you will improve in your life. Thank you. In our next video, we will go through the last unit of the lesson.